Welcome to ResNexus. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new retail item from the point of sale system in ResNexus. Start by logging into the back office. Once you're inside of the back office, under Operations, select Point of Sale. Once inside of Point of Sale, up in the top right, select Add a Product. From here, you can scan a barcode or type in the barcode number or continue without a barcode. Here you can add in a title, a price, as well as a barcode number if you have it, or you can add it to a category if you would like. You can also select to apply the following taxes to this retail item, and select if you would like to add the item to the cart automatically or not. Then select Add Product. You will see that once you've added the product, it will filter by that brand new specific product, where you can then add it to your cart. That is how to add a new retail item from the POS system in ResNexus. If you have any questions or there isn't a video already out for a question that you have, let us know down in the comments below, or click the playlist on screen to see a variety of videos that we've already created. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.